Hi, welcome my dear students. Today we are going to discuss our IIT JEE mains exam and its solutions, which was conducted on 22/11/2020, which is JEE mains 8th exam. The first problem we have here, the number of constant functions that can be defined from, okay, we have here 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100. Okay, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100. To A, B, C, D, E, F, so on up to Z like this. A, B, C, D, so on up to Z like this. Number of constant functions. Okay, that means you see here all these elements they can map with one element like this. Right, all these may, okay, this is one constant function what we can say. Like this what we have here, A, they all can map with B, they all can map with C, they all can map with Z also. Therefore, total you are having here how many? 26 constant functions you are having here, of course. 26 constant functions you are having like this. Okay, fine. Therefore, the answer is option number 2 in this. Next question we have here. Set A has, second question, set A has 3 elements and set B has 4 elements. The number of injections that can be defined from set A into B is, okay, number of injections means number of 1 functions. Here you have here A, n of A is equal to 3. And n of b is equal to 4. Therefore, I given you already the formula. The formula is nothing but 4p3. That is nothing but 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. That is 4 factorial by 1 factorial. That is 4 factorial is equal to 24. You are going to have 24, which is option number 3 is the correct answer for that. Next, we have here the third question. The third question is the number of 1 function that can be defined from A, B, C, D into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also the first domain you are having n of A. Let us take that as, okay, n of A. That is equal to 4 elements you are having here, of course. Okay, and n of B, the codomain you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, it is having actually 6 elements. Therefore, the number of injections are nothing but 6p4 is the correct answer. That is what about the third questions we are having here, of course. Now, regarding the fourth question, if n is greater than or equal to 2, then the number of surjections that can be defined from, number of surjections means number of onto functions that can be defined from 1, 2, 3, so on up to n. Domain is having n elements and codomain is having 1, 2, number of surjections. We already given that formula. That formula is nothing but 2 power n minus 2 when codomain is having only 2 elements. Right, my dear students? Like this. Now, the next one we have here, the fifth question. If a set has 10 elements, set B has 20 elements, then the number of functions defined from A into B. We told you already that number of functions is nothing but n of B whole power n of A, like this. Okay, therefore here we have here B is having 20 elements, so A is having 10 elements. Now 20 power 10 is the correct answer. Right, like this fifth problem can be answered. Right. Now, regarding the sixth problem, set A has n elements. The number of functions that can be defined from A into A is, okay, that is very simple. You have f is a function from set A to A, and n of A is equal to, you have n elements. Then we need what? Number of functions that can be defined from A into A is nothing but n of A whole power n of A. That means n power n, like this. Right. Fine. Next, the seventh one is a piecewise function. F is a function from real numbers to real number, and it is defined by f of x is equal to, you have here like this, it is defined x plus 2, okay, when x is lesser than or equal to minus 1, and it is given x square, okay, when minus 1 lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to 1, 2 minus x, right, when x is greater than or equal to 1, like this. Right. Now they are asking here f of minus 1 point, see here f of minus 1.75 plus f of, right, 0.5, f of 0.5 plus f of 1.5 they are asking here, like this. Now f of 1.75, how you will do this value is, where this minus 1.75 is lying, x is lesser than or equal to minus 1, because minus 1.75 will be, okay, value will be lesser than or equal to minus 1. Therefore, that is equal to minus 1.75 plus 2. Here this is the one we have to take, x plus 2. That means minus 1.75 plus 2 if you take, that is nothing but 0.25 we have here. Next, f of 0.5. f of 0.5 is nothing but it lies between minus 1 and 1. That is now 0.5 whole square. That is nothing but 0.5 into 0.5. 0.25 we will have like this. Next we have here f of 1.5 like this. f of 1.5 is, this is the one greater than or equal to 1. That means 2 minus x. 2 minus 1.5 we have here. That is 0.5. Now if you add all these things, 0.25 plus 0.25, 0.5 plus 0.5, that become totally 1 we have got like this. That become totally 1. Okay. Therefore, that problem 7th one, option number 3 is correct. Right. In the same way, you can verify. In the same way, you can verify 8th one also. Okay. Same like piecewise function. They have given that f of x is equal to, they given 2x minus 1. Right, if x is greater than 1, like x is greater than 1 and this is equal to x square plus 1, if minus 1 lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to 1. In the same way we are going, then they are asking here f of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 0 by f of 2 plus f of minus 1, right, plus f of 1 by 2. If you simplify, just find this value. F of 1 means here we have to take 1 square plus 1. F of 3 means here 2 into 3 minus 1. F of 0 means 0 square plus 1. F of 2 means, okay, this is 1, 2 into 2 minus 1. F of minus 1 means minus 1 square plus 1. F of 1 by 2 means between these. Just substitute and simplify. I think you will get option number 2. 32 by 25 is the correct answer. 8th one, you have option number 2 like this. Right. Next, the 9th problem, what we have here, already we have explained, this is a direct problem. See here, if f of x is an exponential function and they given that this 9th problem, x1, x2, x3 are in arithmetic progression. This is already explained one. That means x2 minus x1 is equal to x3 minus x2. Okay, then they are asking f of x1. This is an exponential function. That means let us take f of x is equal to a power x like this. If it is an exponential function. Now let us raise that to the power, okay, a power x3 minus x2 like this. That means we have got a power x2 by a power x1, that is now a power x3 by a power x2 like this. That means f of x2 by f of x1, this is equal to f of x3 by f of x2 we have here like this. That means they are in geometric progression. Very simple way you can say they are in geometric progression. This is the way how you will do this 9th problem. Right? Fine. See, now we have the 10th problem. F of x is equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x plus cos power 4x. For all x belongs to R. Then what is f of 2002 value? Right? How we will do that is f of x equal to cos square x. Let us convert everything into one trigonometric ratio. Right? Yes. This means now sin power 4x means 1 minus, this we can write as sin square x whole square. That means 1 minus cos square x whole square by, this is now 1 minus cos square x plus cos power 4x like this. This is now cos square x, this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, 1 plus cos power 4x minus 2 cos square x by 1 plus cos power 4x minus cos square x we have here like this. And this of course if we simplify this 1 plus cos power 4x, cos square x minus 2 cos square x is nothing but minus cos square x. Whole thing divided by 1 plus cos power 4x minus cos square x like this. This will cancel and 1 we have. That means it is a constant function. F of x equal to 1. That means if you give any value, f of 2002 also it is 1 for all x belongs to R like this. It is a constant function. Therefore for 10th one, option number 1 is correct. Right? Very good. Now regarding the 11th problem, if it is given that if f of 0 equal to 0 and f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 equal to 2 and f of x equal to f of x minus 2 plus f of x minus 3 for all x belongs to 3, 4, 5 etc. Find f of 9 value, that is what they given. Now let us do, see here, let us find f of 3. F of 3 equal to f of 3 minus 2 plus f of 3 minus 3. That is f of 1 plus f of 0. That means 1 plus 0, 1. Now f of 4 equal to f of 4 minus 2 plus f of 4 minus 3. That is f of 2 plus f of 1. That is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. f of 5 is f of 5 minus 2 plus f of 5 minus, that means f of 3 plus f of 2, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. Like that, f of 6 is now in the same way by substituting here f of 6 minus 2 plus f of 6 minus 3. We will get 3 plus 1, 4. In that way, if you do f of 9 equal to f of 7 plus f of 6, f of 7 already we got 6, f of 6 we got already 4. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Therefore, for 11th question, 10 is the answer, option number 4. Okay, option number 4 is correct for this 11th question. Right, and regarding the 12th question, what we have here is f of x is equal to, they given that alpha x plus beta here, right? In that they given f of 1 equal to 1. Okay, they given f of 1 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7, like that they given. That means f of 1 is equal to 1 is given, right? And f of 2 equal to 3, because they have given 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, like this. Let us use these two and we will try to get alpha and beta value. We will get two linear equations and we will solve them like this. F of 1 is equal to now alpha into 1 plus beta, that equal to 1. F of 2 equal to alpha into 2 plus beta, that is equal to 3, like this. Let us solve these two now. You just subtract this one. Now 2 alpha minus alpha, that become, okay, minus alpha you will get. Alpha minus 2 alpha, that equal to 1 minus 3. That is minus 2. Minus minus will cancel and alpha equal to 2 you have got here. And you know that alpha plus beta is equal to 1. 2 plus beta is equal to 1. From that, beta is equal to 1 minus 2. That is minus 1. Therefore, alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to minus 1 is correct here, of course. Alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to minus 1 is correct. Right? Now see this 13th problem. F is a function from real numbers to real numbers. F of x is equal to 2x plus mod x. Then f of 3x minus f of minus x minus 4x is equal to what? In terms of this, they given the options like this. See how we are going to do this particular problem. Let us take any x value randomly and we check by options like this. Suppose if you take x is equal to 3, okay? Then f of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus mod 3, like this. 6 plus 3, that become 9. We have here 6 plus 3 equal to 9. F of 3 equal to 9 we have got like this. Right? Very good. This is what actually f of 3. Right. Now we need, actually they are asking here f of 3x minus f of minus x, like this. F of 3x means 3 into 3. That is now f of 9, like this. F of 9 is equal to 2 into 9 plus modulus of 9, like this. This is 18 plus 9, 27 you are having here, of course. And f of minus x, minus 3, like this. That means 2 into minus 3 plus modulus of minus 3, like this. Minus 6 plus 3. This is now minus 3 you have here, of course. And let us calculate all this thing now. F of 3x, this value, f of 3x minus f of minus x minus 4x when x equal to 3. What we are going to get? This is f of 9 minus f of minus 3 minus 4 into 3, that is 12, like this. This is equal to f of 9. You got f of 9 as 27 you have got here, like this. Right? And f of minus minus of f of minus 3. Minus 3 is nothing but minus 3. That become plus 3 minus 12. 27 plus 3, 30. 30 minus 12, like this. Right? 30 minus 12 become 18 we have got here, of course. This 18 is equal to, we can write 2 times of f of 3. That is now 2 times of 9. That is 18. That means we have got this total thing is equal to 2 times of something like f of x. Therefore, this option, fourth option is correct. 2 times of f of x. This is 18 equal to 2 into f of 3. That is 2 into 9. Therefore, that is 2 into f of x, like this. Now, the 14th problem, if e power f of x equal to 10 plus x by 10 minus x, for all x belongs to minus 10 to 10, and f of x equal to k into f of 200x by 100 plus x square. We need to find k value. They given these 4 options. Let us see what answer we are going to get. They given this one here. Let us apply logarithm. Then what we will have here? Log 10 plus x by 10 minus x. This is equal to f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to, because if you take logarithm, exponential to logarithm, log 10 plus x by 10 minus x to the base e equal to f of x we have here, like this. That's nice. Next what we have is f of 200x by 100 plus x square, 100 plus x square. This if you do, this is what we are going to get, my dear students, because already we know f of x is equal to this. This is nothing but log of 10 plus 200x by what? Okay, in the place of x you just replace by this one, 200x by 100 plus x square. This is now 100 plus x square we have here, and 10 minus 200x by 100 plus x square, like this. This is what we have here, like this. Now if you simplify this, this is what you are going to have, right? Simplify means just take the LCM here, this part here, we will get. Now after substituting in the place of x this one, we will take LCM, and LCM means this will be cancelled, and we have this thing. And let us take 10 common in this. So if you take 10 common, this become 100, and this become x square, this become 20x divided by 100 plus x square minus 20x. Now this become log of, we can write it as 10 plus x by 10 minus x whole square. This we can write as 2 times of log of 10 plus x by 10 minus x. That is 2 times of f of x. And that is given it as, this is equal to actually f of 200x by 100 plus x square. And f of x is equal to 1 by 2 times of f of 200x by 100 plus x square. That means k is equal to 1 by 2 you have got. Right? K value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Therefore, 14th one, first option is correct. That is what? The correct answer. See now another interesting problem. 15th one, if f of x is equal to cos of log x, then f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 times of f of xy plus f of x by y is equal to what? Like this. Let us do first f of 1 by x equal to cos of log 1 by x. That means cos of log, this is something like m by n. Log m minus log n. Cos of log 1 minus log x. That means cos of minus log x. That becomes cos of log x. Because cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. In the similar way, f of 1 by y is equal to, we will get in the same fashion, instead of x we have y, cos of log y. Now we need f of xy, because this thing we have to calculate, cos of log xy. You know, cos of log xy, log mn equal to log m plus log n. That's why cos of log x plus log y we have here. And f of x by y, that means cos of log x by y, that means cos of log x minus log y we have here, like this. Now just this is what we just put these values, f of 1 by x is this, f of 1 by y is this, minus 1 by 2 into, this is what we have, f of xy. F of xy is what? Cos of log x plus log y plus cos of log x minus log y. That means cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. That means 2 cos a cos b. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 cos log x cos log y. 2 cancels. Now cos of log x cos log y. This total cancels and we get 0. The answer is 0 for this. Therefore, for 15th one, option 1, that is answer is 0. Option 1 is correct. Now we have 16th problem. If f of x equal to cos of greatest integer function of pi square x plus sine of minus pi square greatest integer function of x, where this is nothing but step function. Another name for greatest integer function is what? Step function. Then these are the options they have given. Let us find out now which one is correct, like this. We have here f of x is equal to, this is pi square. Pi square means actually you see pi value is equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7 means 3.14 we have here. Right? This is what? 3.14. Now pi square means 3.14 whole square. This is something like 9.3 or something. Now greatest integer function of pi square is nothing but, greatest integer function of 9.3 is nothing but 9. And what is greatest integer function of minus pi square? That is nothing but minus 9.3, that is nothing but minus 10. It is an approximate value. Simply I am telling this. Therefore we have got f of x is equal to cos step of pi square. Step of pi square is nothing but 9x. So 9x and plus sine of, okay, minus step of minus pi square, that is minus 10x, like this. This is now cos 9x minus sine 10x. We have like this, right? Fine. Now let us substitute the first option what we have, f of 0. F of 0 is cos 9 into 0. Okay, and next we have here minus sine 10 into 0. That is cos 0 minus sine 0. That is 1 minus 0, 1. Oh, beautifully we have got the first option itself is correct. That means f of 0 equal to 1, and no need to check other things because we have got the first option itself correct. Now regarding the 17th problem, let f is a function from z to z defined by f of x equal to x square, where x belongs to z. The function f is what? Right? If you take f of x equal to x square, it is not 1 1. You know clearly that suppose if you have 1, okay, 1 square, that is what? 1. Minus 1, if you take minus 1 square, that is also 1, like this. That means 1 is mapping with 1 and minus 1 also maps with 1. Therefore, it is not 1 1. It is not 1 1, like this. And let us see that it an onto means f of x is equal to x square. You have that, you take it as y. X equal to root y, where y belongs to z. For each y belongs to integer, x also supposed to be an integer. Suppose if I take y is equal to minus 5, then x equal to root over minus 5. This is not an integer, therefore it is not onto, not onto. Okay, and whether it is a function or not means yes. Okay, f of x is equal to x square. It is a function, right? It is a function. Therefore, the answer it is a function, right? Now, this 18th problem, if f is a function from real numbers to real numbers defined by, right? We have here f of x equal to x cube, then f is what? F of x equal to x cube, real numbers to real number, because it is to the power odd power, whatever number you give. 1 cube is 1, minus 1, minus 1 cube is minus 1, 2 cube is 8, minus 2 cube, that is minus 8. That means different numbers in the domain has, this domain is real numbers, codomain also real numbers, has different images. Different elements, okay, have different images. Therefore, it is 1 1 function. It is a 1 1 function. Next, coming to onto, right, onto f of x is equal to x cube. You have here that you take it as y. X equal to y power 1 by 3. That means cube the root of y. If where y is a real number, y belongs to r. If you take any real number, any y which is a real number, cube the root of y, that is x is also a real number. Even if you give negative real values also, x you are going to get it as a negative value. Therefore, it is onto. It is onto. Therefore, this function is 1 1 and onto. Okay, 18th one, 1 1 and onto. That is the correct answer. Now, regarding this 19th problem, f is a function from q to q defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 3, then f is, right, they given that f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, like this, right, and it is very clear that whatever this is, domain is rational numbers, codomain is also rational numbers. You give any rational number, for example 1 by 3, it will give you what? Actually 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3, right, 2 by 3 plus 3, this equal to a rational number, no doubt in it. If you give 1, this become what now? 2 into 1 plus 3. This is also a rational number, no doubt in it. Like that, different rational numbers in the domain will give you different images in codomain. Therefore, okay, this is a 1 1 function, no doubt in it. It is an injection, right? Next, coming to the point onto, if you take that f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, that equal to y. Now 2x is equal to y minus 3, x equal to y minus 3 by 2, where y belongs to rational number. You see, my dear students, if for every rational number, for every y which is a rational number, we can say that rational number minus 3 by 2 is once again a rational number. That means x is also a rational number. A rational number minus 3 by 2 is once again a rational number. That means x is once again a rational number. That means it is onto. Therefore, this function is 1 1 and onto. For every y, okay, you are finding one x. That means, okay, for each and every element in the codomain, it has at least one preimage. Therefore, it is onto. Therefore, it is 1 1 and onto. That means fourth option is correct. See this problem, the last problem, 20th one, last one. F of x plus 1 by x equal to x square plus 1 by x square, x is not equal to 0. Then f of x equal to what they are asking. See, my dear students, this f of x plus 1 by x, this x square plus 1 by x square, nicely we can write it as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2, like this. We can write very nicely. That means if you take x plus 1 by x as z, something like, then f of z is equal to z square minus 2. After all, this is just a variable. We can take even f of t also. That is nothing but t square minus 2. Or just you replace by x also. F of x equal to x square minus 2. This is the function. Therefore, the third option is correct. Like this. We will do all these problems. Okay, my dear students. Thank you. Thank you for watching.